Okay, this is the second review I've done of a Joelle's hot chicken. I did one review about a year ago on some chicken tenders. This is a quarter dark. Then I was trying to get white meat, but I only had dark meat. They had white meat. They only had a quarter dark, I guess because of the supply chain issues. But anyway, it comes with spiked honey dip, and that's buffalo sauce and honey sauce mix. That's what it comes with. And of course, I got some kind of vinegar right here. Vinegar coleslaw. Probably couldn't see the coleslaw there. I don't have the camera angles to point it there. The coleslaw's the coleslaw. Here's the quarter piece on. Here's this. Let me hold on just a minute. Okay, here's the plate. I put it on a plate and sent it on a box like a regular person here. That's the coleslaw comes with, and there's the quarter piece of dark meat. I asked for white meat, but they didn't have it. So and this is supposed to be right here. It's supposed to be like, see that buffalo sauce and honey mustard sauce mixed together, but let's get a taste of this. Kind of tangy, kind of hot, kind of spicy too. Guy said it wasn't. I think he says honey, but maybe the honey mustard spiked. You don't usually like hot food. I mean, hot spicy food. I told the cashier about what I do, and I said I'd give him a shout out. His name is Chris. So he works at the Joelle's hot chicken place I went to where I got this meal at. Here's a quarter piece of chicken. And she's got a leg, and I guess the leg and the thigh. I should have asked. I don't think they have chicken sandwiches at this place. Because they got a playlist of chicken sandwich reviews up now. Like pot pies. Pot pie chicken sandwich. The KFC tri-beer chicken sandwich, of course, Chick-fil-A. They said they claim, well, we didn't invent the chicken, just the chicken sandwich. So, The problem is, I don't know why they offer me this dipping sauce on the side, because now, usually dipping sauce, I don't really care for the dipping sauce. Because usually the dipping sauce is if you get like chicken nuggets, like chicken fingers, or chicken tenders, or whatever you call them. That's usually when you get the chicken. But I think actually dipping the chicken into the sauce kind of ruins the flavor of the chicken. So, yeah, so, I'll link the other Joelle's chicken video to this video once I get this loaded up. So this is DoorDash Man. I'm running on a full tank. And comment, like, and subscribe below.